Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at some Sargento cheese bakes. These are Parmesan and Oregano. Now these is like a nice little cracker. You can add these to your salads. You can add these to, if you want to have tomato soup or anything like that, or just as a snack. So we're doing a quick review so you can see what it looks like. I tasted a few of these already and I actually like them quite a bit. If you like Parmesan and you like herbs, you're gonna love these. Again, they're baked, use real cheese ingredients. 160 calories. This is a nice large bag, and let's just go over some of the. And I'm going to show you them in 1 second. So stick with me. So 15 crackers. So it says here servings, 15 servings in this bag here. 14 crackers is 160 calories. Let me just show you that real so you can see the calories. It does have 8 grams of fat. Saturated fat's 2.5, a little higher than that. I mean, I'd like to see 0, but it is what it is. If you don't overdo it, it should be okay. Trans fat 0, cholesterol is 10 milligrams, sodium is 260, total carbohydrates 16 grams, dietary fiber 1, and sugar is 1. So the sugar is really, really good. That's fine. The ingredients are not terrible. It's a really nice quality cracker. Let me just show you, take one out here and just show you what they look like. I'll give you a close-up, and you can just see that cracker like this here. There you go. You can see the detail. You can see actually the cheese on here. You can see the herbs all on the cracker. It's really a nice quality cracker. I think this is going to be fantastic in tomato soup. I definitely think that's the way to go with this type of item, or just a snack. I'm going to recommend this. I think it's, again, a little high in the fat, but if you have a portion, you should be okay if you're looking for like a nice cheesy snack. Now, it does have that little herby taste in the background. You can see some of the herbs on here, so it is all done in the herbs. You can see that, but it's got a nice cheesy flavor as well. So I think it's going to be okay. I'm going to say I recommend these. I like these a lot. Again, Sargento, cheese bakes, Parmesan, and Oregano. That's what this is, and this is the size of the bag and 160 calories a serving. That's what I have for you guys. Appreciate it. Don't forget to follow, like, and share if you enjoyed this type of review. For all types of reviews we do here to help educate you, inform you, and motivate you to make decisions when you're shopping online so you can see exactly what you're getting, and that's what this channel is for. So go ahead and support us. Go ahead, follow us, and subscribe. Appreciate it as always. Thanks for watching.